Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about when will the National Visa Center contact you after I-130 approval. Navigating the immigration process can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially after receiving approval for Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative. This crucial step marks the beginning of the next phase in your immigration journey, where the National Visa Center plays a pivotal role. The timeline and what to expect from the NVC can alleviate some of the uncertainty surrounding the visa process. In this video, we will explore the typical timeline for NVC communication following I-130 approval, ensuring you are well informed and prepared for the steps ahead. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Once your I-130 family petition has been approved by USCIS, a new chapter in your immigration duration begins. Understanding the timeline and subsequent steps involving the National Visa Center is crucial for a smooth transition to your immigrant visa process. This video will outline the normal procedures, expected timelines, and what to do if there are delays. The role of USCIS and the National Visa Center. After USCIS approves your I-130 petition, they will forward your case to the NVC for further processing. At this stage, the I-130 petition will clarify whether you intend to adjust your status while remaining in the United States, or if you will pursue an immigrant visa through a U.S. embassy in your home country. If your petition indicates that you will go through the embassy, USCIS typically sends your case to the NVC automatically. This transfer usually occurs within 4 to 8 weeks of your petition's approval. Timeline for NVC communication. Once your case is received at the NVC, the next step is for them to contact you with a case creation letter. This letter, which will arrive via email, provides essential information, including your unique case number, invoice number, and instructions on how to proceed. It's important to note that the timeline for receiving this communication can vary, but it generally falls within the aforementioned 4 to 8 week window. However, if it has been more than 8 weeks and you have not received any correspondence from the NVC, it's essential to take proactive steps. In this case, you can submit a public inquiry form on the NVC's website. You'll need your USCIS receipt number, as your NVC case number won't be available until you've been officially notified. Be sure to include your full name, date of birth, petitioner's name, and your contact information, indicating your role in the process, whether you are the petitioner, the principal applicant, or an attorney. In your inquiry, mention that your I-130 was approved, but you have not yet received the case creation letter. What to do if you experience delays. Once submitted, you can expect one of two outcomes. The NVC will either confirm they have your case or inform you that they do not yet have it. If they do not have your case, you'll need to reach back out to USCIS to understand the delay and find out why your case has not been forwarded. If the NVC does confirm receipt of your case and you receive the case creation letter, the next steps will depend on your priority date. If your priority date is current, meaning that a visa is available, you can proceed with the next stages at the NVC. This includes paying fees, completing the D-260 visa application, and submitting an I-864 affidavit of support, along with required documents such as your police clearance record. Once you submit all necessary documentation, the NVC will mark your case as documentary qualified, meaning you are now in line for an interview at your local U.S. embassy. Priority dates and visa availability. For those whose priority dates are not current, navigating the backlog can be frustrating. Unfortunately, the NVC cannot expedite cases if visa availability is an issue, and you will need to wait until your priority date becomes current to proceed. Some applicants may be eligible to submit expedite requests if they have compelling reasons and a visa is currently available. It is vital to keep in mind that your priority date is essentially your place in line for a visa, determined by when your I-130 petition was filed. The family preference system can lead to lengthy wait times for certain categories, making patience essential during this phase of the immigration process. Immediate relatives and visa processing. Immediate relatives of U.S. citizens, such as parents, children under 21, and spouses, generally do not face long wait times at the NVC, as visas are always available for these categories. However, delays may arise due to backlogs at local U.S. embassies, affecting interview scheduling. If you fall into this category, your path through the NVC may be expedited compared to those in the family preference system. Communication from the NVC. In summary, there are typically 2 significant communications you can expect from the NVC during this process. The first is the case creation letter, which confirms that your case has been received and provides you with crucial information to proceed. The second letter will be sent once your priority date becomes current, notifying you that it's time to take the next steps in your visa application process. By understanding these timelines and processes, you can navigate the complexities of this phase with confidence, bringing you one step closer to reuniting with your loved ones. Remember that communication is key. If you encounter delays, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Staying informed and proactive can make a significant difference in your immigration journey, ultimately leading to a successful outcome. In summary, knowing what to expect from the National Visa Center after your I-130 approval is essential for a smooth transition to the next phase of your immigration journey. While the timeline may vary based on individual circumstances, being prepared and informed can help ease any anxieties during this waiting period. Stay proactive by keeping an eye on your email and regularly checking the NVC's website for updates. As you await communication from the NVC, remember that each step brings you closer to reuniting with your loved ones. If you have any further questions or concerns, consider reaching out to an immigration attorney for personalized guidance tailored to your situation. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about when will the National Visa Center contact you after I-130 approval. After your I-130 family petition is approved by USCIS, your immigration journey enters a new phase that involves the National Visa Center. It is essential to understand the subsequent steps and timelines to ensure a smooth transition to your immigrant visa process. Upon approval of your I-130, USCIS will send your case to the NVC for further processing. This process will clarify whether you intend to adjust your status in the US or pursue an immigrant visa through US Embassy in your home country. If your petition indicates that you will go through an embassy, USCIS typically forwards your case to NVC within 4 to 8 weeks. Once the NVC receives your case, they will send you a case creation letter via email which contains important information such as your case number, invoice number and instructions for the next steps. If you have not received this letter after 8 weeks, it is essential to take action. You can submit a public inquiry form on the NVC's website using your USCIS receipt number. Include your full name, date of birth and other relevant information in your inquiry. If the NVC confirms they have your case and you receive the case creation letter, your next step depends on your priority date. If your priority date is current, meaning a visa is available, you can proceed with paying fees, completing the DS-260 visa application and submitting an I-864 affidavit of support along with other required documents. Once all documentation is submitted, the NVC will mark your case as documentary qualified, allowing you to queue for an interview at your local US Embassy. For applicants whose priority dates are not current, navigating the backlog can be frustrating. The NVC cannot expedite cases if a visa is unavailable and you must wait until your priority date becomes current. Some applicants may be able to submit expedite requests if they have compelling reasons. Immediate relatives of US citizens such as spouses, parents and children under 21 generally do not face long wait times at the NVC as visas are always available for these categories. However, delays may still occur due to local US Embassy backlogs. In summary, the process involves receiving 2 key communications from the NVC, the case creation letter confirming receipt of your case and a second letter notifying you. In summary, the process involves receiving 2 key communications from the NVC. First, the case creation letter confirming receipt of your case and a second letter notifying you when your priority date is current. Understanding these timelines and processes will help you navigate the phase of your immigration journey confidently.